Okay, sorry guys. We just our internet is kind of broken, so
So we are back now. Can you hear me now?
yeah, very clear.
Okay. Hi, Sebastian. Okay, on Facebook it stopped, but here it works.
As people still asking the shipping time, so we fully understand. So let's back to the back to here. Back to this part. Okay, let us check the questions. Yeah, so maybe first, still Ben and Ron here, and how to say this? We maybe first welcome all the customers still stay here and watching. Okay, yeah. So Facebook already there are Facebook messages. So hello everyone. Hello Robert. Robert. 3D PUK Tech Channel. Damil Clark. Yeah, my old friend. And also anyone else? RZ. Cyber Waiter. Live Tech. Not Junk Judge. Fresh Prince of and Mark, Steven, and William. Yeah. Okay. So this is this one. Let's answer this first. Question: have you added bearing shims yet?
Bearing shims, like the one issue raised by Nero3D that
yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, the bearing. It's not issue of the mass production. I believe that's only issue can happen to those who tested the beta machine, and I think we only found two who have this issue. Like the pin is like way shorter than it should be.
Yeah, as last time we replied, it's kind of a misoperation of our workers in the manufacturing line. Yeah, only two. I think only two units. The one is the beta unit partner. Then another one is a Nero 3D, as you all know. So yeah, so we kind of alarm to all departments, and we check all pieces we already manufactured. So we put the guarantee that there is no any further one unit has this problem. But if by any chance you have this, we have already made the video and we will reissue the whole gantry to you ASAP, right?
They're saying, William is saying, okay, there is no bearing stocks.
Okay.
Like right.
Maybe we change to
right
the
here. Right here. Here are two bearings. One is at top and one is at below. There is no shim in between. So
okay. So I think maybe okay. This is a good question. I think we will check with our engineers and see if there has some artifacts, right? Artifacts happen if we still have this kind of structure. But till as far as I'm sales and I use, I think like 30 days already, I do not have this kind of problem based on this structure. But I will check the engineers. Yeah. Any questions you may want to answer? So.
Does not save the C offset. Like how could it be?
So Jin said he saw in 2 videos that the SV08 does not have the Z offset. So it has to be correct every time. This is now being fixed. So I think we have already fixed it since actually the YouTuber units sent very earlier. Actually, we have at least I think maybe 5 to 10 updates of our software part or our system. So I think actually if you we will release the whole update details of every version in our SOVOL wiki. So maybe you all could check later. But to just cut it short, we fix this issue. I think maybe 1 week, 2 weeks ago. Yeah. And we will release the node, the detail. I think it should be the firmware update log of every version, so you can check out on our wiki. But temporarily we do not release it, but we will release it very soon.
Will you be releasing hardened steel nozzles for SV08? And answer is yes, I think.
Yeah, actually we just we in the launch we actually frankly speaking we do not have this hardened steel, but since last week we have this QA live. We just immediately to tell company to purchase this hardened steel nozzle for SV08. Assume maybe middle of May or end of May, we may have listed on the website for you to purchase as on, right?
Yeah. And how loud does
the printer
get
get
while?
What do you think? How loud?
The only fan that is very loud is for the mainboard. The part cooling fan and the dispatching fan, they are not loud, but the one in the base is kind very loud. Okay. And I think Jonathan has fixed his unit and by cutting down something, but we haven't made the adjustment for the very first batch.
What about this? If we already have this a default, let's see, filament. Okay, maybe the next questions. Oh, okay. Okay, Sebastian asks, is it the reason why Melody asked me for the picture of the board? Yeah. Since I think Sebastian is one of our, he's I think at Facebook, he now questioned us that is the reason why Melody, which our contact people who are responsible for the beta testing and YouTuber contacting. So I think maybe yesterday or the day before yesterday asked some pictures of these beta testers or the YouTubers. That because we have the software continue to update. So, but each bench of the units maybe have different software versions. So we want to check. We want to make sure the hardware and software is kind of compatible at some point. So we just recheck the stuff. Yeah. Have you sent that? Oh.
Yes, a lot.
So Morton said, "Have you sent?" Ron said, "Yes. First, yes, we send. We should have at least 8 to 10 people to release the video or the review or the unbox, whatever they would like to do. So it includes like mixed meals, CNC kitchen, Aurora Tech and other
3D printing nerd.
3D printer. Yeah, this awesome YouTuber which doing the unbiased review videos.
Yeah.
So whether it's good or bad, you could check out later. Yeah, they will release very soon. Yeah. Okay, again. Cyber Victor said about the issue we have been seeing on early units that have been reviewed on YouTube has the first layers adhesion and auto the offset being improved.
And I think the issue was caused by when performing the offset, you will need to print like 5 test disks, and you need to print them to see if your nozzle is too high or too low. And I saw some influencers, they didn't perform that step. That's why it just gonna be like nozzle gonna be too high, because they still need to manually adjust the Z offset regarding the test print, you know.
Okay.
So they haven't performed that.
Yeah. What is the recommended print speed and accelerations, not max speed? Okay.
Recommended print speed 300 or 350.
Yeah. And acceleration?
20,000.
20,000. Okay. Yeah. If you not want to try the max and the limit.
Yeah, if you want to avoid like layer shifting as much as you can, you won't want to go beyond 20,000.
Yeah. Will you make adjustment to the enclosure? It seems like the printer head can go all the way up because it will bump the top of the enclosure.
Yes, we have extension kit for the lid, and you will need to print it out. Like it's not included in the package, but you will get the STL file.
Yeah, we will also up this extension that STL file on our wiki, so you could download it yourself free and then you print it, and which you could still kind of maximize your size, your print size, build plate print size. How can change the noisy mainboard fan? So you want to maybe in the first place change the noisy fan to a quiet one. I think it's simple, right? It just but you need to find a similar fan, but it's kind of have noise cancellation, or just like the I don't know there should be some on the market, right? I think we use a normal fan. So customer, if they want to change it to a quiet one, they just
yes, but okay.
Every other printer design use shims to prevent rubbling and premature wear. Guess I will have to reprint and redesign it to fit with shim then. Okay, I think this should be like, if you think to add this will be have better print result, you may be improve it, but temporarily, as far as we concerned, that it's fine. Yeah. There are no artifacts. If you put SV08 print next to the K1 Max print, the SV08 is flawless, while the K1 Max is okay, but not that perfect. When can we expect some hardened steel nozzles for printing filament like carbon fiber? I think even hardened steel nozzles cannot.
They are capable of printing like carbon fiber infilled PETG or
okay, but not the 100% one. But it should be mixed carbon fiber, mixed carbon fiber.
Like if you have the hardened steel nozzle,
yeah,
you are completely able to print the carbon infilled PETG or PLA.
You maybe need the enclosure and the filament dryer.
I think you don't need to actually.
You just
Yeah, you just
there's
swap
open
the
frame
nozzle
and you
print.
print.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. All right. All right. So, Rong kind of like a product marketing people, so he knows details than me. That's why I do not know but I see people joking that we do not know our specs of the printer or the detailed stuff. But yeah, kind of yes. Because personally, I'm maybe more focused on the marketing. Yeah. It depends on the flow rate and handle. This says 700 millimeters per second, but I don't think the print will be nicer. Maybe 400 millimeters per second. Yeah, kind of. Maybe even lower a little bit if our recommended speed, right? Comes with the enclosure and lid razor to get full Z height.
No, it's not included in the package. You will have to print it.
Yeah, for the enclosure lid riser, you need to print yourself. The enclosure kit you are buying do not include this part. Okay, yeah. When do you come with another adapter so we can use our own V6 and Volcano nozzles? I think, actually, I think Rong already feedback so many times, so I will check with, but I think we do not have any settlement date or arrangement, but I will check with R&D and see, to make this as a real thing, okay? Yeah, I think, yeah. Temporarily, yeah, we do not have any fixed schedule, right? Or
yeah, we don't have that adapter like
yeah.
on our schedule, but I think one is like devoted into this nozzle adapter like since like 1 or 2 weeks ago.
Yeah. Okay. Then I think I will check with our engineer lead, Mr. Wang, to see if they have any further progress of this. I think I know it's important, but I think good thing is usually SOVO in the launch they do not have any accessories ready, but I think for this SV08, at least we have the 0.2, 0.6, 0.8 millimeter nozzle ready. So, but you do need to wait a bit of the nozzle adapter to use any other good nozzle you think on the market. Is it possible to use any HDMI touchscreen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, there is a port reserved for HDMI screen. So here.
Okay. So maybe we change the printer. First. Okay.
So here it is.
Yeah, you could see the.
I think that's too dark, but
yeah,
you can probably see this. That's an HDMI port.
Yeah. I think yeah. All right. Another question maybe is it any chance can run a test print during a stream so we can see it in action? Yeah.
We can do it now or later.
Yeah, I think maybe Rong you could just operation to print a little bench or something.
Yeah.
I will
I can
continue
print.
to check the questions here. So yeah. So Rong will just check to make a print. Yeah, whatever the print it is. Any chance to okay? I have own SV04, SV05, SV06, a live tech, and SV07. I'm very excited to use the SV08. Yeah. We too, we are really excited to see the mods. Actually, interesting question here. So as you know, actually from the factory point, once you mold the printer, it should be lost warranty, right? But I want to say here that we'll try our best to solve the problem. If people just mess around with this printer and they just like the latest the SV07 happened, that people's clipper screen bricked. So, but anyway, I just want to say this since I just saw these comments actually already in the community. Yeah. Will be their profile for silent printing, adjusting stepper motor drivers voltage. This question? Will their profile for silent printing adjust stepper motor driver voltage? Yeah, I think we may need to check with the engineer. Yeah, we do not answer now, but maybe you could share this question in the SV08 Facebook user group and see if any pro customers have the answer, since we are open source. When is the color AMS coming? It's coming like we assume June, since our partner CoPrint is still doing the test stuff, and they are kind of improve it every day. So I assume they should face also some challenges, but the timeline we plan before is July, like middle of July. I don't know. Yeah, we will see. Could I use a regular HDMI screen and a mouse on the USB port? Definitely, you could use a regular HDMI screen, like Ron just answered. But if I don't know if you could use a mouse, yeah, I need to check with the engineer. What is the recommended print speed and acceleration? I think we already answered it. It's like 3 to 350 millimeter per second, and the recommended acceleration is like 20,000, more or less. Sebastian said he posted a nice 350 by 350 first layer. That's awesome. Maybe you could post the key in our group so many other customers could see it. I thought the load cell was for setting the Z offset. Wrong? Any idea on that?
What I thought the load cell was for setting the offset. Like which load cell?
Maybe we check later.
Yeah, I'll probably check it later. So settings offset.
The housing for the SV08 has built-in fans, or at least connection for them. When I receive mine from the experienced officer, okay, I will be putting a lot of info in groups as well. I'm sure others will be. I will also be doing a lot of profiles for filaments and such to push the fast speeds for those who wish to. Yeah. Nice. Okay. This is the popular one. The nocturnal fans, right? This fan is really popular. Right. You know this, right? It's very famous on Amazon. People. Okay, I just show Ron you just share a link here. Not you just share the fans you usually to upgrade, but I just want to show Ron that what it's really very famous one. Actually, they use this for the computer cooling. This one.
Oh,
It's very famous. Yeah, this is I think most popular one. Yeah. Anyway, we're back to the line. Get a load of this. I'm a right balance. It's not about artifacts. It's about parameter where and the bearing are constantly rubbing on each other, as well as the injection molded part. Okay, the German YouTuber MPOX had problems printing TPU because the extruder gears were worn out. Was this a pre-production error? Yeah, yeah. Lately, we just kind of we take notes of every YouTuber's problems and improve it and fix it before the mass production. And actually, lately we already produce hundreds of manufacture hundreds of units already, but we still doing little bit of software and hardware improvements. Yeah, since actually it's really challenging for us as this is the first cross-wide 3 printer so we ever built. So it's challenging for the design, challenging for the manufacturing department. So temporarily we are trying our best to keep the balance and the quality. Yeah, the quantity and the quality. Yeah. When will the early bird price end? I don't know. Maybe end of this week, more or less. Yeah, I will check with the sales department. So. Oh, no offense, but Aurora Tech channel is very bland with their print reviews. Like other influencers, they talk like robots. Yeah, that's why we send to different type of YouTubers, right? So, but anyway, I think each people have some people really like that. Some people just don't think that's have any value for them before for them to have for them like a reference. Yeah. Okay, Aurora Tech speaks fine. She has a deliberate, articulate manner. Would like to ask about multicolor print. Will there something similar to bamboo AMS? I don't think so. Temporarily, no. Yeah, temporarily, no. Yeah, temporarily, we only have this type of structure which our partner co-print built. Yeah, but I will feedback your advice to our R&D and see if like ourselves, if we will develop this kind of bamboo AMS tab in the future, but temporarily only co-print kind of structure or this technology. Yeah, yeah, but we will feedback to them.
Yeah, I think most of like Voron users, like they are more interested in the Enraged Rabbit carrot feeder.
Okay.
Yeah, that multiple head.
I mean, could you type here so I can?
Enraged, or just search Voron 2.4 R ERCF. Yeah, V2. And it's on GitHub.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, this is
that's multiple tool here.
You mean this one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so it's crazy. I see. Okay. Will multicolor, multi-material printing can be option in the future? Yeah. Assume July. The first timeline is July. Maybe we could add this to the an option. Yeah, list on the website or any platform. If at that time every platform about sell that. Yeah. After owning SV06 Plus, I've had the power toggle switch fail. Is this same power toggle switch or this non-improved? Okay, I'm sorry to know that your SV06 Plus toggle failed, but yeah, this for the SV08, it's definitely improved, and I do not know that if the toggle switch in SV06 Plus is just a kind of like one out of 100 kind of situation. Yeah, so. As I personally, I check the Facebook community a lot. I do not see this kind of problem a lot. So, yeah. So for the SV08, it's definitely not have this kind of problem. Show us an enclosed variant.
Enclosed variant. I think our engineer just disassembles the enclosed version, so
maybe
yeah, it's at downstairs, but no, it's disassembled.
disassemble 也行，拿上来看一下大概要。
I don't know where is it put it.
Okay. Oh, you
Yeah.
got. Oh, okay. Temporarily sorry we could not show you that, but actually we do see it every day. Maybe we will. I think we will check with the engineer. Actually, I think yesterday they asked us to kind of translate the menu of the enclosure kit. So maybe once they are settled, we will just show video and picture the real enclosure, not any rendering picture to the social media as soon as possible. All right, but today now we cannot show you. Yeah, but we do have the enclosure kit product accessory ready. Yeah. I'm referring to the disguise. Oh, William said it's insane to him how we won't add bearing stack streams. Yeah, all right. But anyway, we will check the engineers. But temporarily, yeah. So we do not have, yeah. It's the biggest design flaw of the SV08. Yeah. Okay, if you think so, yeah. I said that we have like hundreds or maybe even thousands of print tests or samples. We do not have any bad effects because of this kind of shims missing. Okay, so we do not think this structure is kind of problem. Yeah. Till now, I think whether the beta testers or the YouTubers who contact us, they do not. I think no one mentioned this this missing is a problem. Yeah. Is it possible to install a nozzle camera, or are there plans offer one as a retrofit?
Oh, speaking of nozzle camera, like it reminds me of the Orbico.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, we just have a meeting with Orbico this morning. Yeah, we definitely will have this plan, but temporarily we just focus on the printer itself to make it, I think, hugely improved based on all beta testers and the YouTubers' feedback. So, but we are actually already working on with Orbico. Actually, Orbico's engineer and their boss come to our company maybe months ago. Yeah. So we have that function. Also, maybe we are like the co-print AMS. We also listed on website, but it takes time. Yeah, it takes time to finalize our cooperation. Oh, I also plan on working on an ERCF setup for those who want it, but I am keep to try. I'm keen to try co-print as well. Okay. I think definitely people will just the pro players definitely are working on the ERCF. I think that should be in the Facebook group. I think once people have machine in their hands, this stuff will show. I think in a minute, right? Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Oh, this one's. If I wouldn't pay in the machine, I like to do that too. But if the price is for the current co-print price, I will be hoping someone adapts the carrot feeder for it. Co-print looks reasonable, but that price is eye-watering compared to the competition.
I think the chroma unit will be sold like 200 to 300. It won't be crazy, but it's about $200 USD, I think.
Yeah. So we are still working hard on this. So let's, as Ron said, let's see if we could try our best to make the price as kind of reasonable as possible. Yeah. Will you make an ultra high flow hot end or nozzle, something like a Repedo or CHT nozzle? Yeah, I think we will not make that. But as we just answered, we are trying to make the nozzle adapter. That's what we will do, but we will not to continue to produce any high quality nozzle to fit the more high temperature material stuff. Yeah. Guys, think about a low noise fan operate even if you charge $40 for the 2 fans. But if I have an option to install a nocturnal or something, no silent in the printer to get it quieter, I will pay it. Yeah. Temporarily, okay, I will feed this to the company to see if we have more adds-on, if you're willing to pay extra to make it this printer even better in the first place. A multicolored printing system like AMS is a system that doesn't have a real future if you need to print several types of plastic, which is only necessary in 1 to 2% of case. Then you need to look at it. Do you agree? No. He said that like the AMS doesn't have a real future.
You need to print several types of yeah, that's why I prefer multi-tool head. That's way advanced, but you can't just apply the like for instance enriched rapid carrier feeder to like a 220 cube 3D printer, because that you know that I won't say AMS system, but the filament changing system, it would be too big for a kind of below average printer. So
yeah. So is it the same as Process XL? Or
quite similar.
Quite similar. Okay,
yeah.
Okay.
And the Orange Storm Giga, they are both using the like very similar design.
Oh, okay. So, Rappy said the nocturnal is already in the house here. So okay, so the accessories is ready, but the printer is not ready. Okay. ADEX on 2 changer systems. Okay. Nero 3D did. I just like a SOVOL verified solution for a retrofit silent fan. Okay, we will feedback to comments to see any adds-on of the fan. So maybe we just list on website, so you do not need to find on AliExpress or Amazon. Yeah. Do not mess with too much temperature or stuff like this. If I choose a low RPM fan or something like this. Will Obico cost a subscription fee? Yeah. Temporarily, we are just discuss about the plan. Like usually, they will not be free, right? So maybe like free 1 month, or maybe some discount on the annual plan. But we will see. Yeah. Nero mentioned the missing bearing shim issue on Discord. Okay. We do not see that, but if you have any screenshot, you maybe just could share in our Facebook page. We will just check it back and then also feedback to our engineers. Oh, people's talking about this is another fan thing. It's another fan brand. Oh no, it's
they are Voron 2.4 kit seller.
Okay. It's like FaceSet Tech. Also works on a full tool changer a kit for Vorons. I think it could also easily be adapted to the SV08.
Yeah, possibly.
Yeah, that should be great.
Yeah. How about exhaust fan and filter for the enclosure? Yes, the enclosure do include the exhaust fan and filters. Okay. And filter. Only one fan and one filter.
It's definitely an issue. You shouldn't ship out any units without bearing shims, especially on coarse wire sheet under high load. How? I would be very interested to know which system on SV08 uses to make the bed mesh. Which system uses the bed mesh? I asked which type of sensor we use.
Yeah, inductive sensor.
Inductive sensor, yeah.
Yeah.
Your 3D tried to drift the pins and then suddenly had a crooked bearing problems. It's still the video that he
No,
found
I'm
out.
not sure.
Yeah, we do not sure. Yeah, maybe you could share the link in the Facebook group so we could check out. Yeah. So top price below 300 and at best 200 sounds good. Yeah. So we are working on. Okay, we are working on. We will try to make it as reasonable as possible. Also as powerful as possible. Yeah. Yeah. Jim, Beno, Yumi, somewhere. Alert of customers. Verify owner by under the. What is this?
No, not
See,
sure.
some scan. Hey, here it is. Good morning from Canada, John. Yeah, good morning. Give V6 adapter and then the community will do the rest definitely. I love that you guys are doing an adapter already. Yeah. Yeah, so I think after this live, we will just settle with the engineer as soon as possible and have the exact date when we will finish that. Yeah, I think it is inductive. Looks like that. Yeah, it's inductive sensor as Ron just mentioned. Yeah, thanks for answer. Hi here. Good morning from UK, Steve. Yeah, Michael. So Michael feels you seems angry. So may I know why? I think since some customers really concerned about the shapes we our kind of structure do not include. So I think we will talk to the engineers for sure. What is this one? Maybe is Michael Fields spamming here or no? Or the regular customers just have some.
It's on Facebook.
It's on Facebook. Okay, so.
I'll make sure there is no scam link.
Or if you have any. So guys, any further questions? So maybe we could continue answer. Yeah. Dan said he is still waiting for an answer on the offsets using the pressure sensor. I think we do not. We cannot build in the machine,
Yeah,
right?
the pressure sensor. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. We have we have this kind of pressure not pressure sensor, but pressure advanced function built in the machine. So I think you may check out the next layers review video on our let's see. Also I think the MPO X3D the German channel to find out. But the answer is yes. We have it built in. Yeah. EU deliveries will be handled by a China warehouse or the EU warehouse. EU deliveries will be sent from the local warehouse. So there will be no shipping fees or tax. Only if you are not in the European Union. Yeah, or you are in a remote area, maybe we'll add extra dollars, but should be not much. Yeah, but for the 99% of customers, if you're buying, if you are in the Europe Union country, it will ship from the local warehouse with no shipping fees and no tax. Yeah.
Oh, the BBB that was mentioned, Why Michael is like a review platform.
Yeah.
So I don't know what does creativity have to do with Sovo.
Yeah, yeah. So maybe if you still have any questions here, that I think the guy called Michael, you could just as what you send the link is credited. So do not have any relationship with quality. So maybe you could send it directly to quality. Okay. Ralph said you are working on Orca slicer printer implementation. Also, some standard PLA settings. Yes, actually, we except PLA. Lately, we have PETG, TPU settings. We all just finished. So if you download the latest Orca slicer, it should include most most Euro materials. Yeah, filament. Yeah. I had to go away for a while. Maybe I missed it. Will there be another adapter? Yeah, yeah. As we said, we are working on it. Yeah, and you could purchase it later. So I will just be doing the old Piper test still, and then live the offsite. I think
No.
no, right? You just it's just I think 95% you do not need, but we as this is not 100% that.
I don't think anyone would need to paper leveling
Oh, I mean,
because
I see.
there
Okay,
is
okay. Sorry, I misunderstood the questions. I think yeah, you do not need the paper test. Yeah, just at some situation. I think maybe that 1% situation, you maybe need to just adjust the offset is enough.
the print is down.
Yeah.
Let me check.
Anyway, so quick. I think it's a little file.
Like you can check the adhesion right here. It is so strong, so no need to worry.
Yeah.
No need to worry about adhesion. So let me peel it
As
off.
I just said, there are only 2 countries that is in the EU area, but it's actually do not join the EU. That 2 countries will just usually will charge for shipping, but the rest, the EU members, if your countries is in EU members, you do not need to pay any extra shipping. Only if you're in remote area. Okay, but Rome now. Maybe oh, it's okay. It's focus opposite. It's focus on the end.
It just won't focus.
Yeah, you want to focus. Yeah, but it's just a print. Yeah, right now, print out right now. So people still asking the multicolor plan. So we are working on with co-print. Should we have product release for the SV08 at July soon? So just stay tuned. Yeah. Okay. I mean, oh, if you just in German, there is no extra shipping fee or tax. Yeah, for sure. Okay. Just how much you say on the website, and it's how much you pay, and then no any further fees. Yeah. Will you be selling PETG filaments in SOVOL blue color? Sorry, no. We do not sell. Actually, we do not have PETG filament. So temporarily, yeah, we only sell PLA filaments.
所以
So
在国内卖吗？
we okay. We do not sell on China domestic like e-commerce platform, but if you live in China, you could order from SOVOL3D.com. You just need to pay tax. Yeah. Can you do a print test on 300 millimeters per second to 20,000 accelerations?
I'm not sure because our engineer has swapped the nozzle to I think a 0.6 or 0.8 nozzle. And I don't know what is sliced in that printer. I just grab it. So.
Yeah. Oh, in Norway. Oh, okay, I see. I see why. Since Norway, since our local EU warehouse should be in like奥地利是sorry， Oh, I see. No. Since Austria. Since our warehouse is located at east of Europe, so it's kind of a long distance. Maybe that's the reason why we charge extra $10 for shipping. Oh, you are living in Germany and you charge $10 for shipping extra? Okay. I will check with the operation department. All right, customer. I'd see why we have charged for extra. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Maybe sometimes is the shipping method what we choose. The shipping method that we maybe only could choose some specific shipping method could. Maybe I don't know if the product package kind of some extra dimension they charge extra, but I will check with our operation team. Okay. Okay, seems like some customers all charge $10 more. Okay. I will see. I will check with the operation team. Okay. Every customers in German charge the $10 extra. Okay. I will check with the operation team. Yeah. You got $450 for printer and then $10 for shipping. But at the end, 450 euros because exchange. Okay. I assume it's not up during the early bird. Minus 7 plus ship from Germany. Yeah. Okay. So if this customer is kind of crazy. Let me see. Do you have any further questions except the shipping extra?
Michael seems to be very much pissed.
Yeah.
Okay, 225 comments. I think more than 200 is from him. So he's like very pissed.
Yeah.
And
Michael, if you have any problems with quality, please go to the qualities page and please do not spam here, as the real customers need to write some answers here to let us. So let's see if we have any further questions. I think we are already live like 1 hour. So yeah, we maybe answer a few questions and we are in the live. So if any further questions, please ask here.
And Francesco said, will it be possible to build a heated chamber? And yes, the whole thing is open source, and I saw some people like share their version of the chamber like in STL, and they share it in our Facebook group. And of course, you can DIY it for yourself.
Okay. So anyway, maybe we just end the live here, and thank you so much for everyone joining today's live, and hope we answer the questions you answer your questions. Yeah, and some questions we maybe answer. We'll check the engineers and reply you back in the community, or maybe make a post. Or you could maybe if you're still not satisfied with the answer, you could send the email to info@sovol3d.com, and we will also will answer you later. Yeah, if you still need the specific accurate answer. Yeah. So maybe we just say goodbye here. Yeah.
And bye bye.
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 Thank you. Thank you for watching.